guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So for today's video, we're talking all about your skin barrier. And this is such an important topic. This is something I get asked about all the time because a healthy skin barrier makes all the difference. If you have damage to your skin barrier, you do not have plump skin, you don't have healthy skin, you have dehydrated skin. And all in all, the key to younger skin is a healthy skin barrier. And so many of us don't realize this. It actually took me some time to realize this way back when. I had a damaged skin barrier and I completely fixed it. And I have found the key products, the key, tips to creating a healthy skin barrier. So I'm gonna share that with you guys today. So let's get started. So basically, what is a skin barrier? The skin barrier is your outermost layer of skin. It holds in the moisture. And basically, if you have a damaged skin barrier, you have cracks in your skin that is letting out moisture, and it's also letting in irritants. And that is a big deal because you'll notice when you have damage to your skin barrier, when you're putting on certain products and they give you that like burning, kind of like tingling sensation, it just doesn't feel right. That is damage to your skin barrier. So the signs to look for a damaged skin barrier, a lot of people don't even realize they're walking around with damage to their skin barrier. The signs you really need to look for are redness to your skin, dehydrated skin, rosacea is a huge one, tightness to your skin, itchiness to your skin, sensitivity to your skin. Like I said, when you're applying products and you kind of feel that burning, tingling feeling. Roughness to your skin is another one. Increased breakouts is another one that a lot of people don't realize. But when you have damage to your skin barrier, like I said, you have little tiny minuscule cracks in your skin. So not only are you letting in irritants, but you're also letting in dirt and just, gunk into your skin that normally wouldn't be allowed into your skin with a healthy, sealed skin barrier. So you're getting more breakouts because a lot more gunk is getting into your skin. So a lot of times people with acne don't even realize that they really need to work on the barrier of their skin. It's gonna go a long way. And the same thing with rosacea. People think that it's just a skin condition. But for me, I was dealing with those, issues way back, if you guys are familiar with my channel. And everything changed when I changed my skincare products. I focused on, a healthy skin barrier. And then I did obviously change some internal things as well, but it all combines and it all comes down to getting that healthy skin barrier. Healthy skin barrier is going to change your life, you guys. And like I said, so many people are walking around with damage to their skin barrier because there's so many products out there that are tearing your skin barrier apart. And you think that it's healthy, you think it's, anti-aging and good, but it's doing the exact opposite. So speaking of the ingredients that are doing the damage, a lot of us are doing damage to our skin barrier because we're over exfoliating. We're using too many exfoliating ingredients and too often. It's 100% okay to exfoliate. I exfoliate, but I really watch how much I do it because that is one mistake I made in the past. I have more oily skin and I thought, the more you exfoliate, the better. No, none of us, whether you're dry skin, oily skin, you should not be over exfoliating. Really pay attention to your skin. You only need to exfoliate a couple times a week because if you overdo it, you're going to strip your skin's barrier. And that is, again, we don't want that. We want to avoid that. We want to keep that healthy, intact skin barrier. Another reason is Retin-A. So many people use Retin-A. I used it in the past, and that is completely what just tore my skin apart. Now, if you're familiar with Retin-A, some people can tolerate it and are fine with it, but then there's others that have constant red, peely skin, constant flaking, and your skin is just always sensitized. And that's what was happening to me. I kept thinking, oh, but it's anti-aging, it's good for you. But it was really doing more damage to my skin than I realized. And that's a big mistake that I know a lot of people make too. They think, certain products like that are gonna be helpful and just gotta get past their certain flaky stage, but getting past that never comes, and it's just always red and peeling and flaking, and no, you're just doing so much harm to your skin barrier. And to be honest, that's where this product right here just saved my life because I could not find a vitamin A product to replace my Retin-A. I knew I didn't want to use Retin-A anymore. It was damaging my skin. The Osmosis vitamin A product, the retinaldehyde, is a lifesaver. This doesn't, do the damage to your skin barrier. In fact, Osmosis is all about saving your skin barrier. That is how I came to love this line from long ago because Dr. Ben Johnson formulated this line because he knows you have to have a healthy skin barrier in order to have healthy skin, which in turn creates younger skin. So for all of you out there who cannot use Retin-A retinols because you just are peely and flaky. And you know when you use something that's, you're peeling and you're just sensitized, and then you've put on other skincare products that are literally not even, harsh, but you still get that burning sensation, it's because of your skin barrier. So that is why I will 100% always stand by the Osmosis Vitamin A serums, because they, for me, changed my life. I could not find something to replace my vitamin A until that. So there's just certain ingredients that you want to avoid. Like I said, over exfoliating with like lactic acids, glycolic acids. I use those personally in like toners. So when you're really trying to reverse the damage to your skin barrier, create a healthy skin barrier, just avoid exfoliating altogether. And trust me, you will see that your skin barrier can repair. It usually takes anywhere between like 2 to 4 weeks, just depending on how far off your skin barrier is. If there's a lot of damage, it could take longer than 4 weeks. But I'd say for most people, if they stick to this routine and these products, you will see a huge change in your skin barrier in like 2 to 4 weeks. So exfoliating ingredients, vitamin A ingredients, even with the osmosis, I would, put this to the back burner for now until you repair your skin barrier, and then I would start using the osmosis vitamin A's. But for now, no vitamin A's. We want to keep things very gentle. Also avoid L-ascorbic acid. This is another ingredient that if you have a damaged skin barrier, you apply L-ascorbic acid and you're gonna notice you're probably gonna have like that burning sensation. So if you are using L-ascorbic acid now and you're like, why do I always get like that sensation when I apply it? Damage to your skin barrier. So L-ascorbic acid should be put aside for now as well. So just to recap, exfoliating to the side, L-ascorbic acid put to the side, vitamin A, retin A, all of those type of products put to the side for now. We want to keep things gentle, basic, but we really want ingredients to repair at the same time. So these are the products that I can assure you will not only help your skin, repair your skin, but they're going to anti-age your skin at the same time. So this routine, these products are my go-tos. If I had damage to my skin barrier right now, this is the routine that I personally would use. So this is what I get asked all the time as well. What products do I use while I'm trying to build up that, barrier to my skin? Something like this. You want the True Treatments Hyaluronic Honey Cleanser. This is moisturizing, this is gentle. There are no exfoliating ingredients in here. This has hyaluronic in it, and again, it has honey in it. Both those ingredients are going to truly repair your skin. Honey is actually one of the most amazing ingredients for repairing the damage to your skin barrier. So this is 100% the cleanser that I would recommend. It's a cream cleanser and is going to go a long way for helping your skin. Now for toners, again, no exfoliating, nothing like that. We want, soothing and gentle. The Revision Soothing Facial Rinse. I love this toner. I use this all the time, even to this day. Like I said, I really make sure I don't over exfoliate now. So when I'm not exfoliating with my toner, this is what I use, because this will really, balance out your skin, same time tone your skin, but it's soothing, it's hydrating. It is amazing. It gives you the most softest skin. So this is what I would suggest for your toner. Now, like I was saying, there are anti-aging ingredients that you can still throw into your routine. Don't think like, oh, I have to rebuild the skin, my skin's barrier. I can't use anything anti-aging. You can. Products like the Osmosis Stemfactor. This is a growth factor serum that will repair your skin at the same time. This is not only anti-aging, but it truly repairs damage to your skin. So you will notice that this is going to change your skin and help to repair it. Now, I used this back when I was repairing the damage to my skin barrier, and this plus the Osmosis Rescue made a huge difference. This is the epidermal repair serum. Now this is a product that I still use to this day as well. I still use the Stemfactor. I'm using it right now. It's on my skin. But these two will repair the damage to your skin. The Rescue creates change from the inside out of your skin, and you will see such a difference. So again, anti-aging but repairing at the same time. Then when it comes to vitamin C's, like I said, you really want to avoid L-ascorbic acid for now. And you want to use something gentle, but you don't want to, give up your vitamin C. I mean, vitamin C is so anti-aging. It protects our skin every day from free radicals. You don't want to give that up. So I would definitely suggest you add in a vitamin C with THD ascorbate. That is what I use to this day personally. I love it. It is good for sensitive skin. It's good for sensitized skin, and it will heal your skin at the same time. So if you do have damage to your skin barrier, This not only is going to protect your skin, again, with the vitamin C, it's going to create the collagen and elasticity production in your skin, but it's going to repair at the same time. My two favorites are the Revision C Plus Correcting Complex 30%, again, THD ascorbate, and the Truth Treatments Transdermal C Serum. Both of these, again, THD ascorbate, not L-ascorbic acid, so super gentle, super effective, and will repair your skin at the same time. So don't want to give up our vitamin C's, use that instead. All right, let's talk about some moisturizers because these two right here are amazing. I'm going to talk about the Osmosis one first because this is what saved my skin a long time ago as well. The Osmosis Immerse. Now this is the old packaging. It now comes in a dropper form, but it's the same ingredients, same product. They just changed the packaging. This Immerse completely changed my skin. It is just packed full of emo oil, omegas, amino acids, everything that your skin needs, fatty acids, everything your skin needs to repair the damage to your skin barrier. Everything that your skin is lacking when you have a damaged skin barrier, this replaces. Now this comes out in like an oil because it is like emo oil. I can't even tell you guys. I made a video about this a long time ago because I was like, oh, this will change your skin. I am telling you, if you have damage to your skin barrier, use this at night and it is a lifesaver. I saw such changes to my skin barrier on such a quicker time frame than I would have thought when I added this product in. It's truly amazing. So I would use this at night as well as I love this for the daytime. I still wear this myself now. I have this on right now actually as my moisturizer. It's the Sente Dermal Repair Cream. And it is phenomenal. And as the name of it says, it is a dermal repair cream. So this literally has, again, everything that your skin needs to rebuild itself and rebuild what's lacking in that damage to your skin barrier. This is good for all skin types, dry skin, oily skin, again, obviously sensitized, irritated skin because it's helping repair itself, but it's super lightweight. I use it now, I have oily skin, and it is phenomenal. Phenomenal ingredients. The whole Sente line, if you have sensitive, irritated skin, sensitized skin, but still want to anti-age, this truly provides that deep hydration and repair to your skin. I actually have this over here too, because this is another product that if you're looking for anti-aging plus repair, the Sente Dermal Contour Press Serum. So good. It's hydrating, deeply hydrating, gonna repair your skin, but at the same time, this is like growth factor technology. It's a little bit different than growth factors, but it has like growth factor technology. So it's super anti-aging. It's gonna firm up your skin, all of that. So Sente line is amazing, but this dermal repair cream, recommend 100% for just, moisture to building up that, skin barrier. I love it. And then just other little things that I would kind of add in here. This Truth Treatment Systems, the Transdermal C Balm, so good. This I would use at nighttime though, because this is a thick, like heavier balm, but it's full of the THD ascorbate, but then it also has so many omegas and moisturizing factors to it that it's going to repair your skin and you're going to literally wake up with like serious like glowing skin. So this will help repair as well as this for kind of like a little booster. And I used to use this in the past as well. I still use this because it makes such a difference just keeping your skin healthy. It's the Osmosis Barrier Repair Mask. And again, this is a mask that you can put on, leave on for hours if you want, and it is just so full of moisturizing ingredients, omegas, fatty acids, amino acids, just everything that your skin needs to repair itself. So this is such a great mask to boost, the repair in your skin. So if you use this maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, so beneficial. And then you always want to end every single day with an SPF. You want to use a mineral SPF though, because chemical SPFs can irritate your skin and might give you that like burning sensation. So mineral SPF stick to gentle SPFs, but you really want to make sure you're using an SPF every day because you need to protect your skin from anything harmful. So the ones that I would recommend for sure, you guys know I love my Revision IntelliShade True Physical. This is all mineral. It's your anti-aging moisturizer. It's got some coverage and it's got your mineral SPF. So good. Color Science is another one. There are face shields. Highly recommend. All mineral, good for all skin types. They have a regular face shield. They have a glow face shield, which gives you the most beautiful glow to your skin. If you have dry skin, I highly recommend. And then they have this one, which is the bronze, which is going to give you just that bronze tint to your skin, which is so sun-kissed and so amazing. So they have those. I would definitely suggest this one as well, the Elta MD, the UV Elements. This is, again, all mineral. It is good for even post-procedure skin, super sensitive skin. It is tinted, it is lightweight. It's good for all skin types. And the Sente. This is the Invisible Shield Full Physical, all mineral. It's got a nice little tint to it. It's sheer, but just evens out your skin tone. And again, it's just really good for just keeping your skin protected without, irritating your skin with any harsh ingredients. All those SPFs I would highly recommend as well to just end your daytime routine with. All right, so that is it for today. That is all the ingredients you want to avoid when you're building back your skin barrier, and then all the ingredients and the products that you want to use to really repair the damage to your skin barrier. So I will link all these products down below for you guys, but I will also, in the description box for you, just open it up there. I will list the daytime routine and my recommended nighttime routine using these products. I will put everything in order for you guys, exactly how I would do it, if I was really trying to repair the damage to my skin, because like I said, I did that years ago. I was on the full recovery to my skin barrier mode, and these products worked. So I will list everything down below for you guys. Hope that helps you out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I will try to get to them all. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.